Hi friends, welcome all to my SPK trading channel. Today I want to tell you about exponential moving averages. So let's start. So exponential moving averages or EMA, that is acting as a dynamic support and resistance. Then what do you mean by dynamic support? That means support and resistance move along with the price. When the price is moving, that time support and resistance also moving. That's it. And EMA is more powerful when the market is on trend. So before trading or before taking any position, first we want to identify market is in which condition, that is in bullish or means that is in trend or bullish trend or bearish trend, like that. And in sideway or range market, moving average have no power. So this is important, guys. Inside we if we identify the market is in sideways, then don't apply this strategy. It will not work in sideways market or range bound market. Moving average will not work. An exponential moving average react more significantly to recent price changes than a simple moving average. So let's we can check most commonly using moving average periods. 9 and 20 moving average you can use for the day trade. 50 and 100 moving average, that is better for short term trade. 200 moving average we can use for the long term trade. So before applying this moving average strategy, just take these notes. Guys, don't trade only by using this moving average, because we want to make profit. So we want to apply very means we want to build good strategy. Identify the trend on different time frame by using moving average. Example, if you are using 5 minutes or 50-minute chart, just we need to check the moving averages in previous days, and just we need to back test it is working properly, or then we'll get the idea. At least you can check the at least 1 month or at least 10 days moving averages in 5 minutes or 50 minutes we want to check. Then we'll get some idea about that. Then we'll get it is working properly, or like that we'll get the idea. And the important thing I want to tell you, use the price action strategy with this moving average. This will improve our trading accuracy. This is the most important thing. This keep it on your mind. Use price action strategy with this moving average. You will get the good result. So we can do one thing. We can check some example for this. This picture you can see. This is a bullish trend. Here, this is a red line. You can see this is the 20 EMA. In this trend, every candle is properly respecting this 20 EMA. It is not at all closed below this 20 EMA. So you can see here a big candle. It's moved from here. It is making new high, low, again new high, low, again new high, low, like that. It is a trend market. So here this red line means EMA acting as a dynamic support. So this is an example for sideway market. This above line you can see is a resistance and below support. The market, every candle market is running between these two support and resistance. So you can see the moving average. So some candles are going closed above and below, like that. It is getting confused. So in this kind of market we don't want to trade. Ignore that day. And this is an example for resistance. Here this is the red line. We can see this is a 20 EMA. Here also you can see the every candle is respecting 20 EMA very properly. So there is no candle close above properly above this 20 EMA. So this is acting as a dynamic resistance for in this bearish market. Okay, so we want to check this. We want to apply this on real market. So we can check on Nifty 50 last around 7 days chart. We can check on that. So this is a Nifty 50 chart. I think it is starting from 9th April to around 24th. So this is 30-minute chart, and here you can see this is a resistance line I drawn here. I draw a resistance line here, and this is support I draw. This is support line, and this is a 30-minute time frame. So around 7 days include on this. So we can check in 5-minute chart how we can find a position or entry position here. So we can check it on 5-minute chart. Can start from the beginning. So this is a support and this is a resistance. So from here we can see this is the 20 EMA. As per our policy, what we told, if any candle close above the 20 EMA, we can take a buy entry. But the main thing you want to understand, this market is already gap up. It is opened in gap up. So in gap market, don't take any entry. We need to wait for a chance. Okay. So in this support area in around 11 o'clock, you are getting good opportunity. This market is again coming back to support, and from support it is trying to pull back, and these are 20 EMA, and one big candle close above the 20 EMA. So this is a good entry we can take here, because two double confirmation we are getting here. One is support, it is closed above the support, and closed above the 5 minutes candle close above the 20 EMA. So this is a good confirmation for us. So you can take the entry. You can take the entry around 8,958 or 60. From there up to that, this you can see this 20 EMA is respected by entire candle. It is not at all touched. So from here it is trying to break this. So from here we can exit. From here we can one big candle is breaking. Normally, as per the standard trader, we can exit from here, because we are thinking, assuming the market is reversing, so we can exit. That's a good strategy. So here also anyway we are getting the good profit. Okay, and this is the next day, that is 13th January. 13th January market is getting fall only. It is all open near the previous day closing price only. But one thing we need to understand, this is our support, and this is our sorry, this is the support and this is the resistance. So better, as a experienced trader, we can take the entry according to our technical analysis. As a new trader, don't trade in this kind of situation, because at least we want to wait until the price want to move resistance or support, because from there we can take a entry. So here we are not taking any entry, so market is getting falling. Then after it is getting support from our trend line, sorry, the support line. From there it is trying to recovery. So again market is trying to recovery, and this is the entry point for us. This is the 20 EMA, and this is a support line. Anyway, it is recovery. So, and candle also closed above the 20 EMA. From here we can take the entry, but here if you take the entry means the profit will be less only, not too much, but anyway at least we will not be in loss. In small profit we can take from here. Okay. And next day market is open the gap up, don't take any entry. And again if the market is moving towards the resistance, from there onwards it is not touched our line, but from there it is getting reject. And after that normally we are, this candle only will take the entry, but anyway it is again went up from, after that again it is coming down, because here support, sorry, resistance is there, it is respecting the resistance. So again it is closed below the 20 EMA and a big fall happened. So here also at least we can take the good profit. And after that it is taking the support, our support line, and next day it is open below the support line, but we didn't take any trade there because this is near to support line, we need to get the confirmation. The second candle also it is green, third candle also green, and it is moving toward the support line. Normally I thought this will be a bearish day, maybe market will fall, but market is trying to recover the from support, again it is taking pulling back to the resistance, I think so. So here also we will get the good entry point. You can see here from support line onwards the market is moving forward, and 5 minutes candle also closed above the our this one 20 EMA. So here also we can take the entry. So here also I think at least standard profit will get it. And day 17th also we can check, it's a big gap up, we didn't get any opportunity because these are near to resistance side, and it is totally confusing trade. So first one it is near to resistance, and second one it is above the 5 minutes candle is above the 20 EMA. But resistance side we need to confirm, maybe market will reverse or market will go up. That's a confusing. So don't take any entry in this kind of situation. So that day I think totally confusing only, so there is no trade on that day. And 20th April the market is near to resistance area only, and there is totally in sideway, so there is no entry on that day also. And 21st also the same, big gap up, there is no proper entry time. Here it is there, but I think small loss or profit we need to exit. And this is a good chance. In 22 we have good chance because it took the support, market is fall from resistance and it took the support here, and next day around 9:50 or 10 o'clock we are getting a good chance, the market the 5 minutes candle close above the 20 EMA, and it is already took the support from here. After that onwards it is moving upwards. You can see here, you can see here this is a 20 EMA, it is moving up again, next take the support on 20 EMA, again move up, next time it is breaking here, normally we can exit here, but experienced trader as per their experience they will trail the stop loss and strategy, they'll take the entire profit. But as a new trader anyway we are getting the good profit here only, here only we can exit, that's not a problem, good profits we already booked, that's not a big deal. And next day also there is no proper confirmation because this is going towards the resistance, so we are not sure market will fall down or go up, that day there is no trade. And this is the final day, which happened on 24th. 24 also, I think there is morning time there is no trade because market is gave up, and it is again coming back to our 20 EMA again down, and after that it 5 minutes candle close above the 20 EMA. So but this is the middle, right? There is no proper opportunity as a beginner, so we are not taking any entry. But afternoon section, the market moved towards the resistance. From there onwards it is getting reject. This is our point. We need the double confirmation, right? From the resistance it is getting reject, again it is coming down, then this is a chance for us. A big candle break the 20 EMA. From here we can take the entry because it is closed below the 20 EMA and it is already rejected from the resistance. So this is the entry point for us. From there we can take the entry around 9,220. We can take the entry up to, it will be a good profit around 9,140 or 150. We can exit. Okay guys, that's it. I hope everyone can understand this. So this is my, I'm a new in YouTube, so some language difficulty will be there, so please cooperate with me and will try to improve myself. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Kindly support and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.